quick restoration vid. Old Black & Decker belt sander. Already removed the belt. Did have European plug. Doesn't fit anything, so I'll be jamming this one on. You'll need some cleaning stuff. Degreaser, glue for the labels, cable block to connect your new plug, and some screwdrivers to open it up with to get in there. So you can lubricate the working parts, anything that moves. Big screwdriver. No other type will work for these power tools. Have another one here, but it doesn't fit. So you have to use the large ones. Screws are in quite good condition. Don't think I'll need to put any WD-40 on them. Coming off quite easily. Just be taking the outer case off by here rather than this belt bit by here. Shouldn't take long to clean the outside, so I'll do the inside first. Not too bad condition. Some dust, wood dust in there, so sawdust. A little wipe. Inside. Don't have to be too much. It's not like you're going to see any of this stuff. And it'll all be WD-40'd in a minute. Quite a bit of sawdust escaped whilst wearing it. Okay, that'll do. A bit of liquid in there. I'll absorb that. Some on this flywheel here. That's in there. Nice. A little wheel by here, sprayed inside this gap here. Help it rotate more freely. I think I'll get a little bit more in there, since I was only a couple of sprays. There we go. All nicely sinking in there. All that'll run through. Hopefully. Yep, it is. I can see some. Yep. That'll lubricate all the moving parts inside of this belt motor. Still a bit squeaky. Got a bit more in there then. Squeaky, not good. Hopefully that'll go away after its first run. Pick out some more of that gunk. Sawdust gunk. Okay, it smells very WD-40. See if I can get some on these bearings. Okay. Is that okay? Yeah. Make sure that's not loose. Grab this. Now the belt lock is fine. Put some all over this. Protect the metal some. It's all dripping out. Bit too much. If there's such a thing with WD-40. Okay, reassemble that. There we go. Re-screw. Right, all aligned. I'll be dropping some in on the motor, but there's an open gap for the air to go in. I can use that to drop WD-40 inside there, so I don't have to disassemble that part. The other half. It's helpful, well designed tool. All the switches and such seem to work fine. These screws back to how tight they were. And quite a bit of vibration from this, so they need to be tight. Just want them unscrewing themselves. Quite dusty on that. All over. Fair enough. Let's get some of that off. Just all-purpose degreaser. Get any oils and crap off the outside. Ooh, smells very lemony. So it's lemon based. It's good. Some stainage on the side. Cleaning up quite nice. Just take these gloves off soon though. Already taken the bag off the back and given that a wash and a clean, since it was full of old sawdust and that was extremely messy. Bag for any of the sawdust or whatever, metal dust, as it will be in my case. Some stubborn stains on here. Paint. Doesn't want to come off. Try and break it off with a screwdriver. Screwdriver. Hey. Should be able to remove all of that now. Yep. There it goes. No more paint fleck. clean. Only take a second to jam the plug on and test it. It's cleaned up and has a new plug. Definitely wear gloves for this. This is epically messy. That's why I'm doing it in my hallway. Much cleaner. Ooh. Yeah. Oh. See? Well, taking gloves off now. There's most of that dirty part's done. Just attach the new plug now. Need a cable block. Pretty simple. I'm afraid. Ooh, you tighten it. Definitely need a higher rating cable block if you have one. These ones are quite thick. Can handle a good deal of amps. This is the power tool end. Jam on the belt before I test it. Got a chunk of hard drive over there. See how this sounds that. So I can collect some aluminium powder. This thing was scrapped because it wasn't being used and I got given it thanks to the European plug. Wasn't used in this country. Okay, that's that done. Bag, reattach the bag. The slip slides on. Much cleaner, much nicer. Still need to glue the labels though. Quickly do that. Just be using some, ooh, it's quite wet by there, that's why it's come off some craft glue. That'll do. You use super glue, it'll just wreck the plastic even more. This might peel off eventually, probably will, but still. Need a different type of glue maybe. Don't want to use super glue though, because it will burn it into the plastic. Quite powerful. It should be juicy. Belt, pull that back on. Still got a little bit of service life in it. Okay, belt's on. Let's test it. Bit of hard drive block. doesn't seem to be working. Or is it me? Might be this plug. No. It's dead set. We tested it before. Be good for scrap then. Unless I can get it working. Is there even a fuse in my plug? Might not be. No, no fuse in the plug. How daft am I? No fuse. I have fuse. 5 amp. More than enough. Silly me. Needs to go in the housing. Very hot today. Oh. Right. No. Even with a fuse. It's dead then, isn't it? Oh, one of the wires have come loose on the connector this time. Oh my. Because I'm extremely hot. It's a very hot day today. Right. No, still no action. It's dead. Isn't it? No, it's not. Never mind about that. It works far too well. Right. Boy. Well, that works. Fair to say that works. Definitely be able to collect some aluminium with that. Well, it was a long power tool restoration, but it finally works. Sorry about all the mistakes. Boiling. Right, until the next power tool restoration.